Here's how to create and send a free email campaign using Shopify email. In your Shopify dashboard, click Apps, search for email, and install the official Shopify email app. Once installed, open it and click Create Campaign. Choose from the available templates, pick one that is close to what you need and customize it rather than starting from a blank page, which saves significant time. Adjust the colors, fonts, images, and text to match your brand. When editing, pay particular attention to your subject line. It is the single most important factor in whether people open your email. A weak subject line means even a perfect campaign goes unread. Before sending, click Review and send yourself a test email first. Check how it looks on both desktop and mobile, since many customers read email on their phones, and layouts that look fine on a wide screen can break on smaller screens. Once satisfied, send to your customer list. A tip for ongoing improvement: after sending, check your open rate and click rate in the campaign analytics. Low open rates usually mean your subject line needs work. Low click rates mean your content or call to action needs improvement. These two numbers tell you exactly what to fix for next time. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.